Is your brother printer not connecting to Wi-Fi? Are you seeing a connection failed or cannot connect message? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step solutions to fix Wi-Fi setup failures on your brother printer. Let's fix it. Step 1. First, make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on. Your internet is working. Your printer is within range of the router. If the signal is weak, move the printer closer to the router. Weak signal is one of the most common reasons for Wi-Fi setup failure. Step 2. This solves most problems. Turn off your printer, unplug your Wi-Fi router, wait 60 seconds, plug the router back in. Wait until the internet light is stable. Turn the printer back on. Now try Wi-Fi setup again. In most cases, this fixes the issue immediately. Step 3. If the automatic Wi-Fi setup does not work, don't worry. You can connect your printer using the manual setup option. On your printer, press Menu, then go to Network. Select WLAN. Now choose Setup Wizard. Your printer will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network name, also called the SSID. Next, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure the password is entered correctly. There should be no extra spaces. Also, remember that passwords are case-sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letters must be typed exactly the same as your router password. After entering the correct password, press OK. If everything is entered correctly, the printer screen will display Connected. That means your printer is now successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Many connection failures happen because of wrong password, changed router password, typing mistakes. If unsure, check the Wi-Fi password on your router or contact your internet provider. Step 5. If it still doesn't connect, go to Menu, select Network, choose Network Reset, confirm reset. After reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi again from scratch. This clears old connection errors. Step 6. Sometimes outdated firmware causes issues. Visit support.brother.com. Download and install the latest firmware update. This improves Wi-Fi stability, compatibility, and security. Step 7. Make sure router is using 2.4 GHz network. Many printers don't support 5 GHz only networks. MAC filtering is disabled. Firewall is not blocking devices. If unsure, restart your router again and try. Once connected successfully, printer screen will show Connected. You should see the printer on your phone or computer. Try printing a test page. If it prints, problem solved. If your Wi-Fi setup is still failing and you need help, contact us. We're here to assist you step by step. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.